Imagine waking up to find out that AI wrote the next best-selling novel, composed a hit song, and even painted a masterpiece in seconds. Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening right now. AI isn't just making calculations anymore. It's making art. It's writing stories, composing music, and even designing fashion. Some people say it's genius. Others say it's just stealing ideas and remixing them. But here's the real question. Does AI actually understand creativity, or is it just really good at faking it? Let's put it to the test. We gave the same challenge to an artist and an AI. Can you tell which one was made by a human and which by AI? Take a guess. Now here's the shocking part. In blind tests, most people couldn't tell the difference. AI-generated art has even won real competitions against human artists. But does that mean AI is actually creative? Here's the truth. AI doesn't have emotions. It doesn't feel heartbreak, passion, or inspiration. It's not painting because it had a dream last night. It's just remixing patterns it has seen before. Meanwhile, every human creation has a story behind it. Pain, love, struggle, joy. That's something AI can't fake, at least not yet. So is AI a creativity killer? Or is it the ultimate tool for artists? Some people fear AI will replace artists. Others believe AI is just another tool, like a paintbrush, a camera, or a guitar. What do you think? Can AI ever replace human creativity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see more mind-blowing AI experiments, hit that subscribe button. The future is coming faster. Are you ready?